Hey guys, I'm Frank from Totally Foodies, and welcome back to my kitchen, where today I'm gonna mix it up a little. Instead of creating something, I'm actually going to be reviewing some candies I picked up on the boardwalk a while back. Without wasting too much time, let's get into the video. The first candy I picked up were these little charms. They come in this little paper tube, and they're just little hard candies. I didn't really know what I was expecting. But they're pretty good. I rate them a 5 out of 10, but I'm not the biggest fan of hard candy. The next candy I picked up was a small tin of Altoids. Now this is just a small tin of mints, and I actually enjoy these more than the charms because I'm not a big fan of hard candies. I'll actually give these a 8 out of 10. Because these next two candies are so similar, I'll just review them at the same time. I got a small packet of bubblegum cigarettes and bubblegum cigars. The bubblegum cigarettes is a small bit of bubblegum wrapped in a little paper tube to look like a cigarette. You can blow a small bit of powder out of it, which I assume is just cornstarch. The bubblegum cigar is just a large piece of bubblegum. Both were okay. I'm trying to blow some powder so you can see it, but it's not really showing up. And I'm not going to bother to taste the cigar on camera because it's just a big piece of bubblegum. I am a big fan of gum, so I will give these both 9 out of 10 each, with a 9.5 to cigarettes because I think they look cooler. The final candy I'll be reviewing today are these Crybaby Wax Bottle Sours. Now, if you never had this before, it's just a small bottle of wax with a little bit of sour juice in it. You can just bite off the lid and then suck the little juice that's inside out. I actually really enjoy these candies, so I will give this a 10 out of 10. One of my favorite candies, and if you ever see us in the store, I'd highly recommend you try these. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please be sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below what food you would like to see me try next. I'm always looking to try new foods. Sorry, I forgot to put footage of the slime liquor, but if I'm being totally honest, it did not live up to the hype. Don't bother eating it. Have a great day, and see you later.